What is going on, everyone? My name is Jeff. So in this video, guys, I'm playing a little bit of a mysterious game with you. I'm wondering if you can guess which stock that I am referring to, because over the past month, guys, in the tobacco marijuana space, there has been a stock that has outperformed Cronos Group, Aurora Cannabis, and Canopy Growth. And it's a stock that I do have quite a bit of coverage on here on YouTube already, but has kind of fell under the radar, guys, and has taken some pretty big losses, especially in the market's decline. But let's just take a look here real quick. I'm gonna see if you can guess it. Over the past month, CRON is up 48.9%, and Aurora Cannabis is up 10.77% over the last month. And then, of course, Canopy Growth is only up about 3% over the past month. So this, like I said, just goes back to the middle of January. So there's actually a stock that has outperformed CRON by 50%, okay? So pause the video right here, see if you can guess at it, because I'm about to tell you right now. And it is Pyxus International, guys, ticker symbol PYX, okay? So back in October, I actually made a two-part stock analysis video where I broke down Pyxus from a, like a fundamental standpoint. I kind of did a little bit more company research, took a real thorough look at this company. Now, to be fair, this stock got absolutely killed when the markets declined. Let's go ahead and take a look at that now on Robinhood. Like I said, going back to June of 2018, they were trading around $18 a share. Like I said, did not see a lot of movement here in June and July, and of course in September. But at the very start of October, guys, this stock went absolutely crazy. For a very short period of time, running up well over $40 a share, and its 52-week high is actually $52 a share, okay? So you could have netted an easy 100% return if you would have bought during that time period. Now, right now, guys, I'm on a cost basis of about $19 a share, okay? Going back into another run, I did average my position down a little bit, like I said, during this big correction time, and we got so many opportunities to. Right here in November and December, it was trading in the $11 to $12 range. Got very, very cheap. Short sellers were eating this stock alive. And then, like I said, since January, it is starting to see some movement back up. And really here, right at the end of January, when they reported their earnings, guys, this stock has almost run in a parabolic movement. Like I said, now trading over $26 a share. And this is a pretty well diversified company, guys. Like I said, having tobacco products, Canadian cannabis, industrial hemp, and e-liquids. And guys, it is really showing up on the stock page, okay? Let's go and take a look at their most recent earnings report, and that can help explain a little bit why their stock is seeing this type of movement right now. So this earnings report broke about a week ago, guys. It was back on February 11th. But they had a Q3 GAAP EPS of minus 56 cents and a revenue of $524 million. Okay, it was a 9.8% year-over-year growth rate. And initially in pre-market, the shares actually pulled back about 3% before. And of course, the big surge in stock price, guys. This is the optimism surrounding Pyxus International's One Tomorrow transformation strategy. And that appears to have increased investors' confidence, and this is why the stock price is running up so much. The day they reported earnings, the very next day on the 12th, they actually run up 33% in one day. And it's still heavily discounted from its 52-week high of $52.43, nearly 55%. So this could make a compelling argument that this stock is still very undervalued. So the real problem I have with any of these marijuana-related stocks is that they're all fundamentally overvalued, and it's hard to really say, where fair market valuation is, because they're all being bought, on hype and news, and they're not being traded like a traditional company, like a consumer products company or a tech company, or, where your earnings report has to be super, super clean and efficient to see the stock run up, okay? And now they currently only have a $234 million market cap, guys. So keep in mind, this is still a very, very risky position. You know, I'm the type of investor, I think any stock with less than a $1 billion market cap is still a huge candidate, you know, for bankruptcy and delistment, okay? That does not mean that is going to happen or this company is anywhere near that happening. These companies are basically just one mistake away from being wiped off of the exchanges, okay? So keep that in mind. This is a very high risk stock, very small market cap, but capable of a lot of price explosion, okay? But anyways, guys, that's all I got for today's video. Drop a comment. Let me know if you're interested in this stock or if you have a position in it. Like I said, the position I have is performing very, very well right now, but I really look forward to see what this company is capable of. Drop a like on this video if you enjoyed it, and as always, thank you for watching the video.